वेरीलॉग एक लैंग्वेज जिसके बिना कोई भी चिप या डिजिटल सर्किट कंप्लीट ही नहीं होता। सो इफ़ यू एवर फेल्ट वेरीलॉग थोड़ा टफ या कंफ्यूजिंग है, देन डोंट वरी, ये सीरीज आपका माइंडसेट चेंज कर देगी। सो आई एम ब्रजेश और वेलकम है आपका कंप्लीट वेरीलॉग सीरीज में, जहां हम स्टार्ट करेंगे फ्रॉम ज़ीरो एंड वी विल रीच इट टू द मास्टरी लेवल। मतलब कोई भी अगर क्वेश्चन अगर इंटरव्यू में आ रहा है सो उसको हम लोग बेटर समझ पाएंगे, बेटर उसको आंसर कर पाएंगे। सो दिस गोना बी अ कंप्लीट सीरीज इन विच वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस फ्रॉम बेसिक, like whatever the Verilog basics are given, we will going to discuss it and we will take it to the higher level, so that whatever question which can be asked in our interview, we will answer it in clear way. So this series gonna be very enjoyable. सो फ्रेंड, ये सिर्फ एक रैंडम यूट्यूब प्लेलिस्ट नहीं होने वाली है। आई वॉन्ट इट टू मेक द सीरीज enjoyable as well as valuable. So if you are a beginner or experienced fresher, whoever you are, this series gonna give something valuable to you. This series gonna be a beginners friendly. I will discuss everything from the beginners point of view, how they will think in Verilog and how they will reach to the higher level. So this gonna be very useful for beginners who want to start their Verilog series, and for the experienced one who who are participating, who are just in starting their journey in design verification, physical design, or whatever VLSI field. It gonna be a useful for them in interview. So it will be also interview point of view and revision for the experienced people, like the person who is already in their VLSI professions, like design verification or design engineer or physical design engineer, whoever. This series gonna be work as a revision. So whatever they will focus, whatever they will forget the concept, they're gonna revise it from here. And I'm going to discuss about a real example. I will include whatever concept I'm gonna discuss here. I will try to link it with a real example, so that the topic or whatever the subtopics were given there, it could bring some importance, so that I feel also importance and you also feel importance about the topic, and we will give much clarity, much importance to the topic which we are discussing. And apart from that, I'm also going to discuss about the project. I will discuss the project also in Verilog. And the most important part, this series will also guide you to the interview. So I'm going to discuss more about interview question discussion in all possible way, how interviewer can ask questions from you. So I'm going to discuss this all questions, whatever concept I will teach you, whatever the topic which can be asked by interviewer, we will gonna discuss. So this series really going to be an enjoyable and valuable too. Now let's talk about what we will be having in our upcoming videos. What will be the roadmap in which I will upload videos. So my first sets of videos will be on what is Verilog. So I will discuss everything about Verilog, why we use Verilog, what is the importance of it. So we will going to discuss about it. And then ASIC design flow means when chip is designed from software to hardware, what are the different stages there, from designing, verification, and then physical implementation. What are all the stages involved there? So we are going to discuss about that, because VLSI is for all, from design engineer who design the chip and verification engineer who verify all the necessary blocks code, and then physical design engineer who implement those code in a real hardware. So ASIC design flow is very important whoever starting their Verilog series. And then Verilog tools, like design engineer use different tools to write code, and then verification engineer use different Verilog tools to verify it. Also physical design engineer use different tools to write their code, to write their implementation, to write whatever the chip given. So all profession use different tools, so we will be having some idea about it. We're going to discuss some tools about it. So whoever choose their respective field, they will shortly have some idea about the tools which they will going to learn in the future. So this will be our first topic on Verilog. And then data types will be our second topic, second module, in which maybe 2 to 3 videos will be there. So we will discuss about the Verilog syntax, like how we will write the code, their syntax. If you have some idea about C language or Python language, then we will have to learn about the concept, like how we will write the code. So Verilog have their own syntax to write it. So we will going to discuss about the Verilog syntax and also the data types. There are different data types in Verilog. So we will going to discuss them in the depth detail. Okay. Then scalar and vector, arrays, net type, Verilog string, and all the data types which is not present here. We will going to discuss it in a greater depth. And if there are some interview questions, some tricky question which can be asked in interview, I will going to discuss it here. Okay. Then third is building block. Why we have written here building block? Because it is going to be build the code. So we were going to discuss module and how we will start that module. So module instantiation. There are different ports in Verilog like input, output, in output. So we will going to discuss about port, then assign statement, then operator. There are various operator, arithmetic operator, logical operator. There are many operator which we will use in our Verilog. So we will discuss about it. Then very important, always block, initial block. We will going to discuss about it. Some of them are synthesizable, some of them are non-synthesizable. What is synthesizable, what is non-synthesizable? So we will going to discuss about it in our upcoming videos. And then is behavioral modeling. So how our code will behave when we will write the logic. So behavior is generally done by this part. So we will going to discuss about block statement, assignment types, blocking and non-blocking. What is blocking and non-blocking? Very important question in Verilog. Then control flow, how the Verilog code flow will go. Then for loop. Sorry, I have written wrong spelling here. It's a for loop, and all the loop are going to discuss about it. Then case statement, if else if, function and task. Very important topic in Verilog. The starting point of function and task, and then parameter. What is parameter and why it is so important in Verilog and our upcoming system, Verilog, UVM, whatever. And then delay control. So delay control is a very important topic here because we will going to manage our time in our delay control. Okay. So our next module will be RTL simulation. So whatever the RTL code, first we will also discuss about what is RTL. Okay, in our videos we will discuss about the RTL, what is it, and then simulation, how gonna be simulate the code and run it. So we will going to learn about Verilog simulation and what is test bench. Very important topic, and it is the base of the VLSI engineers. What is test bench? We will going to discuss it in great depth. Okay, and then time scales. What is time scale? Then scheduling reason and clock generator. Why is it important to generate clock? So we will going to discuss about it. And next is Verilog macros. You must have heard about the macros. So what it is, we will going to discuss Verilog compiler directives, macros, Verilog if, else if. So we will going to discuss it. So our next topic will be system, task and function. What it is system, task and function, we will going to discuss. So here we have dollar $random, and there are many such topic are there given. So we will discuss about it. Dollar stop and dollar finish. When we use dollar stop and dollar finish in our code, what is its role? Then we will discuss about display task, what it does, and then whatever math arithmetic function given in Verilog we will discuss and use it. And then time scale. Okay, so we will going to discuss, and if some topic were left there, so I will discuss it in after completing the above 7 topic, and I will discuss if some important topic left there. So if you think some topic left from the above 1 to 7, then please comment down below and tell me whatever the topic you want which is not included here. Okay, so what's different here? क्या अलग होगा ये बाकी वेरिलॉग यूट्यूब प्लेलिस्ट से या सीरीज से जो यूट्यूब पे है? They all are good. I'm not criticizing anyone, but I will try to put it differently. Concept clarity. So ये concept clarity बहुत important है, क्योंकि एज अ बिगनियर मैं अपने आप को उस जगह पे रखता हूँ और समझता हूँ कि जब मैं स्टार्ट किया था अपना वेरिलॉग सीरीज, सो तो ये बहुत मेरे लिए भी टफ था समझना नया नया टॉपिक. तो आई विल पुट myself into your shoes as a beginner, and I will discuss whatever as a beginner point of view. मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि इसको डिस्कस करूँ कि एक बिगिनियर है जो अभी स्टार्ट कर रहा है वेरीलॉग, वो कैसे इस चीज़ को, इस टॉपिक को लेगा। तो मैं उनके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी समझाने का कोशिश करूँगा। एंड देन रियल लाइफ इंडस्ट्री यूज़ केसेस। सो कोई भी टॉपिक मैं पढ़ता हूँ या कोई भी टॉपिक हम लोग कॉलेज में सब्जेक्ट पढ़ते हैं, तो उसका क्या रियल लाइफ एग्जाम्पल है, क्या उसका रियल लाइफ यूजेस है। अगर वो हम लोग को पता रहेगा तो हम लोग उसको और बेटर उसका वैल्यू कर पाएंगे, उसको बेटर अंडरस्टैंड कर पाएंगे, बेटर रिमेंबर कर पाएंगे। सो कोशिश करेंगे कि हम लोग उसको रियल लाइफ इंडस्ट्री यूज केसेस उसको देखें, सो दैट कोई भी टॉपिक है कि इम्पोर्टेंस बना रहे। एंड देन वेब फॉर्म विजुअलाइजेशन। बहुत सारे ऐसे बिगिनर हैं जिनको वेब फॉर्म कैसे विजुअलाइज करना है, क्योंकि वेब फॉर्म विजुअलाइजेशन जो है एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट होने वाला है हमारे वीएलएसआई प्रोफाइल में। सो वेब फॉर्म को देख के हम लोग चेक करेंगे कहाँ हमारा एरर आ रहा है, कहाँ कुछ भी सिग्नल जो है इम्प्रॉपर काम कर रहा है। सो वेब फॉर्म विजुअलाइजेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है। तो आई विल फोकस मोर ऑन वेब फॉर्म विजुअलाइजेशन टू। एंड देन प्रैक्टिकल टेस्ट बेंच और राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस। एक टेस्ट बेंच कैसे हम लोग एज अ डिज़ाइन वेरिफिकेशन इंजीनियर अगर आप हो तो कैसे टेस्ट बेंच आपके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो एक प्रोजेक्ट लेंगे, प्रैक्टिकल प्रोजेक्ट लेंगे और हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे कि कैसे उसको प्रैक्टिकली वे में हम लोग टेस्ट बेंच उसका लिख सकते हैं। एंड देन द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट, इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन डिस्कस। हम लोग कोशिश करेंगे कि बहुत सारे टॉपिक के लिए उसके जो इंडस्ट्री में रेलिवेंट इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन पूछे जा रहे हैं, उसको हर एक एंगल से उस क्वेश्चन को हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे, सो दैट कोई भी इंटरव्यू में क्वेश्चन पूछे तो उसको बेटर हम लोग आंसर कर पाए। सो दिस सीरीज गोना बी वेरी इंजॉयफुल एंड वैल्यूबल। ये सीरीज सिर्फ सिंटेक्स सीखने के लिए नहीं है, ये सीरीज है लॉजिक समझने के लिए, द वे हार्डवेयर इंजीनियर्स थिंक। अगर आप सच में वेरिलॉग मास्टर करना चाहते हो और चिप डिज़ाइन का लॉजिक समझना चाहते हो, तो बिलीव मी, यू आर एट द राइट प्लेस। सो गाइज, मेक श्योर आप सब्सक्राइब करो चैनल को, बेल आइकन प्रेस करो ताकि नेक्स्ट वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिस ना हो। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम स्टार्ट करेंगे व्हाट इज़ वेरिलॉग से, और स्टेप बाय स्टेप बनेंगे प्रोफेशनल लेवल डिज़ाइन इंजीनियर, फिजिकल डिज़ाइन इंजीनियर, डिज़ाइन वेरिफिकेशन इंजीनियर। लेट्स मेक लर्निंग लॉजिकल, फन एंड करियर चेंजिंग। वेलकम टू द कंप्लीट वेरिलॉग सीरीज। थैंक यू और मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।